Hello folks, welcome to the Cogency channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create custom forms and effectively use them in either your scheduling pages or creating just a regular public page, adding the custom form to that and having your users or your clients fill out and gather survey information that way. So let's get started. I'm already in my dashboard here. Let me click in the left side panel. You can see it says custom forms. Let me click on there just to see what I have in there. I have 3 forms already done. Let me click on the plus here and add a new form real quick. Now we have to specify the title. So let's say interview questions. Let's create the form. Super simple. Now we are in the form. It says interview questions, and this is the editor. Now here I have a variety of fields I can add into the form, or anything else that I want to ask the user. So let's click on add question, and here it just adds a simple question. It defaults to the simple single input. What is your name, right? And we're going to make it required because we want them to answer. Second question here, we can either add a question by clicking on this link here, or we can go through and pick something from the left side panel. Now let's add a comment. So we can just click and drag and drop it into the editor. We have to give it a title. Please specify your address, right? And and we make it a comment, meaning it's a text area for them to type in more than just one liner, and we are not going to make it required. And what we also want to do is we want to require them to sign, so add a signature. So we can look here and find the signature pad and drag and drop it into the form right there. So now this is the signature pad to sign before proceeding, and we're going to make it required because we want the users to sign, or in other words, acknowledge that they filled it out before they can continue. And that is it. We don't really have to do anything else. We added our questions. We can click on preview and see what it will look like. Go back to the designer, and now we can go ahead and publish it. Now you noticed here that it says revision 1. I can click here, and obviously I do not have any revisions in here, and this is our draft. Now the draft is not published. That means this custom form is inaccessible to use. And again, one thing I need to mention here real quick is the custom forms by themselves cannot be really used. We create them, but then we need to add them to a different module. In this case, we have choices of whether adding them to a scheduling page or a regular page. So let's go ahead and publish this custom form. It is published, and you can see it changed to locked. Means we cannot make any more changes to this revision because it's been published. We can clone a revision. We can click here and we can clone this revision, or we can create a new revision. So if we wanted to create a different form and reuse some of the data that we already added into this form, I would go ahead and clone the revision. It will just clone everything inside here. However, if I just wanted a blank slate, I would create a new revision, and it will just open up this editor with no questions inside it. All right, so we published it. Now let's go ahead and see if we can actually see it. And as you can see, we have our interview questions, and the status is active, and we created it 1 minute ago, and it has only one revision. And that's it.